All right, guys, welcome back. Mike here again on our little road trip. I guess our foodie road trip. We got little man walking around here. And we are going, sorry, it looks kind of dead here at this hotel. This is Willow Beach. And we are in Hot Springs, Arkansas. So we're gonna cruise the town today and get some lunch. Yeah, so the road trip's going really good. Puppy's having a fun time, and we're getting to see some good sights actually on this one as we make our way to Arizona. I think we're getting gluten-free pizza today, so come along and enjoy. This place is pretty cool if you like beautiful buildings. We're gonna go find some lunch and show you guys what there is here. All right, so one of the many bathhouses here. Hot Springs was very popular during the Prohibition era, and a lot of gangsters used to come here and gamble and launder money and be able to drink back in the 20s. Beautiful little area. All right, not sure if you can see it on the video, but you got some of the hot spring water here. Beautiful buildings, man. What a great find. All right, we stepped into this little quick stop. They do offer gluten-free, and they were on Cupcake Wars on Food Network. Lots of merch, ice cream, and all the cupcakes you could want. All right, so we stopped in at Fat Bottom Girls Cupcake. And I got like it's not gluten-free, but it's a little cookie sandwich thing. And Nicole got a gluten-free vegan, it's like a coconut vanilla muffin cupcake. All right, so we ended up coming across this little place. We're gonna go inside and check it out. They got gluten-free pizza. All right, the menu. The place is really cool. We got an outside table. Just pause whenever. They do offer gluten-free pizza. Beverages, yeah. And we got some great seating out here. Mural in the back. Very cute place. All right, look at that. We got the hot honey and pepperoni, gluten-free, and check for the dog. Hi. All right, pizza's really good actually. The crust, very flaky, buttery, not just a cardboard, frozen style. And I like to cut up pepperoni into strips. It's got a hot honey underneath. There's no marinara on this. And a little basil on top. Is really, really good. All right, guys, that place was excellent. Straight down that way is basically Century Boulevard, I think it is. Just off the street. Such a good place. All right, we're heading to Oklahoma City. So come along and follow us. Let's go.